Whatever happens, we'll face it together. So you'll be quiet now? Good. Whatever they decide, you're the best sister I could have asked for. It'll be a problem for the rest of us if our clan leader collapses from exhaustion. Brahmaclaw, I'm sorry, you have to understand I never intended to hurt you. I love you, and I was proud to raise these kids with you. You were a wonderful father. I know the warrior code is important. I never would have broken it if I hadn't felt I was doing the right thing. I hope the mistakes I've made out of love.